Put it to Excel. This one. Yeah, this way. Balance sheet, projects, and total. Then I'll move to project-wise profit loss account. Yes. This is P&L of total the projects. AZ School, High Tech Mall, and Vihari Bhavan. Here you can see the sales comparison between the projects. The sales account here show that 63,80,000. With the detailed project-wise here, you want to find a facts here. Simply press enter. It will give you detail till the voucher level. One more thing, if you press enter, here itself you want to find out what are the vouchers related to this value. Simply you press this vouchers button. It will give extract of all the vouchers related to that project transaction. Here you can see this project AZ School, sale value of 4,50,000 rupees. The same way here, project High Tech Mall, 25,30,000 value. We'll see that facts. Simply press enter, use vouchers, you will get the details. Like this, indirect expenses here showing this total is 8,95,000. Whereas project wise it is show here AZ School is 5,36,000, High Tech Mall 6,36,000 and 7 lakhs, and Vihari Bhavan is 7,92,000. Any area you want get the details, simply press enter, it will give the drill down, and as well as simply press vouchers, it will give the extract of all the vouchers related to that project. You want to go to the voucher, you can simply open the voucher also. This report we are giving one more facility also, that is this column without cost center. If something transaction user is not assigning to the project, those transaction value will display here, so that we can find out is there any missed transaction that we are not allocated to the project, that we can again allocate to the project. Means we give this report will give you assurance that all transaction is allocated to the projects or not. And here this is corporate one projects we opened for the commonability, like office related or else non-project related transaction we allocating to the corporate finance, office, something one project will open for the those type of a transaction. In this report also you can export it to Excel, export it to PDF, and you can directly email, directly print and everything. I'll show you export in the Excel format how it looks. Like this. Total P&L, project wise P&L and project wise comparison. And now work order report, work order summary report. This is work order summary report. where you can able to view this all clients information, projects related to a project, and who is the person dealing with this project, what is the work order number, what is the sale order value, how much is the tax value of the sale order, work order, and what is the total value of the work order, how much invoices we have done related to that project, how much balance sale order values to be executed, how much amount we have received against that, how much balance to be received. This report will give you complete summary to the work order wise and project wise. And here we can filter party wise and project wise and work order wise also. The same report, we have a drill down facility and export, email, prints and everything. The same report I will show you, export it to Excel and show. Yes, this one. Party, project, that sales executive name, work order value, tax value of work order, total value, sales amount, sales invoices done related to that work order, balance sales orders to a value to be work order process, how much value received, how much to be receivable. And I will show one more report related to projects, project wise cash flow. These are the projects, how much value we have received related to this project, total value, how much payments we have done to this projects, this much value, and what is the net value of this, and what is the total. And you want to find some facts here. Like this 4 lakh value, you want to check, simply press enter. It will show that receipt details here, voucher date, voucher number, voucher type, sale order number, project code, project name, bank, transaction value, remarks, payee, reference number, branch and everything. Same way, payments, we have to check here the project. So High Tech Mall, the payment value is 4,34,800. You want to see the details, simply press enter. It will show you. These are the number of 3 transactions are there. The project related, High Tech Mall. We have made a payments. So and so transaction. And the pay receiver's name. One is we have paid for salaries and wages. Second is XYZ engineering services. The third will be salaries and wages. This is a cash flow. The same this report you can export to Excel, print and everything. And this report is designed for even a multi-currency levels also. If you have a number of multi-currencies like dollar, you have a euro, pounds, it automatically reevaluate the value and generate the report. Show that how to show in the Excel format. Yeah. Project wise receipts, project wise payments, project wise net available. Out of this, I'll show you some more inventory reports, project-wise stock, availability, project-wise stock consumption. I'll show that. Display statement of inventory. There is a main location. This is a main location out of the project. Means it's a general project. This is a main location. Whereas the stock report show that how much is the inward we have purchased or how much we have issued to the project, how much balance we have in our main location. Cement, river sand, steel and iron. This is the inward win. Where you want detail, simply press enter. You can able to see that monthly wise report and press enter. You will see the transaction. This is a purchase transaction related to raw material purchases. This is issue to projects. So we are issued to the projects. We are issuing to the AZ High School. We are issuing, these are the items to the project. That report here it will give. And what is the closing balance available in our main location? The same way, if you want to see project wise, AZ School, we'll select AZ School. Simply open it. We'll find the AZ School. In the AZ School, the inward bricks 10,000 numbers, cement 450 bags, river sand 5 ton, iron and steel 6 ton we have received from our main location. And outward, here outward 6 tons of 6,000 numbers of bricks, 300 bags of cement, 2.5 ton of river sand and steel iron 3 ton as consumed. And this is the balance available on the site or the project. Where you want detail, simply press enter. Monthly summary, again press enter. You can see the transaction. Here you can find it. The 2nd April, issue to the projects. So bricks issued here, we are received from the main location. This report is project, AZ School project. So AZ School, 10,000 number bricks we are received. Outward project consumption. For whom we are consuming, AZ School we are consumed 6,000 numbers. The balance available is 4,000 numbers of bricks available on the project site area. Again, the voucher details you want, simply press enter. You can see the voucher. This is issued to the project. And this is project consumption. And you can see that the project, whatever we consumed, produced a value here also you are showing. 2,87,000 is that we have produced a value related to the whatever value we are consumed here to that project. Same way, one more project I will show you. High-Tech Mall, the same way. This 12,000 numbers of bricks, 600 number of bags, river sand 7 tons, steel and iron 5 tons. These are the received from our main location. And these are the values is consumed for the project. So after consuming this value, we got, this is a produced value of the project. And these are the balance of the balance stock in the project or a site. This is the inventory report related to that project. And one more project also, I will show the last one. Bihari Bhavan. Same way. So these are the values received from our main location to project. These are the values consumed for the project, and the consumption value here produced value to that project. These are the balance stock value available with the project or a site. The all reports you want to fact find, simply press enter. You can able to see that till the voucher level. Do you want to export it any report? You can export, print, email and everything, every facility is there. Yeah, I'm coming back to my PPT. So whatever now I have shown to you, the main benefit related to these reports is easy to analyze expenses and income of different projects, whatever cost center P&L I have shown you. With the help of this report, you can easily analyze project to project comparison of expenses and incomes with the different projects, and comparison of project performance also, and in the group company reporting. Group company report, I'll show the next one. Easy to understand and pending and current work order with the project wise in reports. These are things, benefits we have shown you. Second is GST and TDS automation. In Tally, we no need to do any manual intervention to generate the GSTR reports. We need to simply pass a voucher. With the help of a voucher, Tally generate automated written level reporting. Here you can find on the screen GSTR 3B report with related to transactions, and here it will show that outward value, how much is the tax value, and how much ITC is available for this. This return is auto generated, and I will show in the data next how to this report look like, drill downs, how it looks and everything I will show. Then a GSTR 1 report. This is also automated report only from the Tally. With a simply voucher, this report will be generated. B2B invoices, B2C invoices, how much count, how much tax value and everything. This is recently given by the central government, GSTR annual competition report. So that also automatically generate from the Tally, where it will give the extract value of how much is outward supply and how much is input credit. These things I will show in the live data. Display statutory reports, GSTR reports, GSTR 3B. This is a live report where it will show you outward suppliers, how much is the tax value, how much is central tax, how much is the state tax and total tax value, the same eligibility of ITC, central tax and state tax and total tax value. And here, wherever you want a detail, simply press enter. It will give you the transaction level details with the tax values. If you simply press enter, it will go to the voucher level. This is a voucher. So you need to pass only simply voucher. Rest of reporting done Tally automatically. And even Tally having here one more facility, incomplete or mismatches. If any vouchers you have done some mistakes to select the GST related taxes or wrong calculation, it will show here the number of transactions are mismatches. We simply click the mismatches and we can correct here itself. No need to go to the voucher again. It will show that GSTR report print format, how it will look. And we simply print the return. Yeah, GSTR 3B. And we see that GSTR 1. This is also automated report. Here you will find B2B invoices, details, taxable value and everything. Simply press enter to get a voucher level transaction. You want to view the voucher, simply press a voucher. You can able to see that even a voucher also. Details, with the details. And GST annual competition reports here. Simply press enter. The GST annual competition report. Show that outward supply and input credit. detail, event with the detail. B2B, B2C, any credit note, debit notes, everything should be autofill. Here monthly summary, month-wise summary. Transaction details with the voucher details. And this is TDS Form 26Q auto-generated report. And Tally having a complete automation about of a TDS, it auto deduct in the voucher as well as it generate 26Q returns. I'll show in Tally how it will do. TDS reports 26Q. This is 26Q return value. Simply press for the details till the voucher level. Here you can see this TDS details. I'll show. Yeah, this is TDS. This TDS value is automatically calculated as per the income tax law. We no need to do a manual calculation to generate this. So Tally automatically deducts according to this section. And any TDS outstanding details, it will show. Ledger without PAN, if any ledger, supplier ledger don't have a PAN details, it will show here, so that if you enter, it automatically updates into the client master. Yeah, and Tally recently introduced Tally reports on browser. That's a beautiful facility. So you can access your all reports anywhere, anytime, and any device. So irrespective of device, from the mobile, from the tab, from the system, anything you can access. No limitation, no territory limitation. Simply you access from the browser, and you can simply download those all reports, whatever you are looking, and you can share through WhatsApp. You can share through email also. This is a latest facility and a very nice facility. And this facility, Tally won't charge any service related subscription for web reporting. If you are active in Tally software services, then you can enjoy these reports. Hope I can show you some sort of a solution for the construction infra. And I welcome all your questions, so that I'll try to give an answers. And at the same time, you can find my contact details on the screen. If you can note down, and if you can contact me for more better details or demo you're looking, or any queries you have, so you can contact me, and you can ask me now questions, so that I'll try to give an answers. Thank you.